Did you know that the global market for digital products is worth over $331 billion and growing every single day? That's billions of dollars flowing into digital goods like ebooks, templates, and online courses. But here's the thing. Most people only consume these products. They're not creating them. That means they're missing out on potentially life-changing money. Don't let that be you. If you've ever dreamed of making money from home or earning passive income while you sleep, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create and sell 5 types of digital products, even if you have zero experience. And stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a bonus strategy that could supercharge your income. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Next week we're diving into even more ways to increase your wealth, so hit that button to stay in the loop. Alright, let's dive in. Pay attention because these strategies could completely transform your financial future. First, ebooks that sell like hotcakes. Ebooks are one of the easiest ways to get started with digital products. Why? Because if you have knowledge or a story to tell, you can package it into an ebook and sell it for profit. For example, you can write about fitness tips, cooking recipes, or even how to start a small business. The possibilities are endless. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick a topic you know well or are passionate about. It could be anything from 10 easy dinner recipes to how to save money on college textbooks. 2. Write the ebook using a tool like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Don't overthink it, just aim for clear, useful content. 3. Design a professional-looking cover using Canva. A good cover can make or break your sales. 4. Upload your ebook to platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Gumroad. Pro tip, don't make your ebook too long. People love quick reads that solve specific problems. Here's the beauty of ebooks. Once you've written it, it can keep selling for years with no extra effort. That's passive income at its finest. Next, online courses that teach valuable skills. Think about the last time you wanted to learn something new. Chances are, you turned to the internet for answers. That's why online courses are booming right now. People are willing to pay for step-by-step guides on everything from photography to coding to personal finance. Here's how you can create your own course. First, identify a skill you have. Are you great at graphic design, gardening, or even organizing your closet? There's an audience for almost anything. Next, break your skill down into easy-to-follow lessons. Record yourself explaining each topic, or use slides with voiceovers if you're camera shy. Then, upload your course to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. These websites make it easy to reach thousands of students. Pro tip, offer a few free lessons to hook people in, then charge for the full course. Keep watching, because later in this video I'll share a strategy that could double your income by combining multiple digital products. Now, printables that save time and stress. Printables are downloadable items like planners, to-do lists, or budget trackers. People love them because they're practical and instantly accessible. The best part, they're super easy to create. Here's how. First, use Canva to design your printables. Start with templates to save time. Next, create items that solve specific problems like weekly meal planners or wedding budget spreadsheets. Finally, sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Pro tip, package similar printables together and sell them as a bundle for a higher price. The secret to success here is focusing on niches. For example, you could target busy moms, students, or even small business owners. The more tailored your products are, the more they'll stand out. Fourth, membership sites for exclusive content. Imagine getting paid every month for content you've already created. That's the power of membership sites. Whether it's exclusive videos, templates, or even a private community, people are willing to pay for access to premium content. Here's how to get started. First, pick a theme for your membership site. For example, healthy recipes for beginners or freelance writing tips. Next, use platforms like Patreon or Kajabi to set up your site. These tools make it easy to manage subscriptions. Then keep adding fresh content to keep members engaged and coming back for more. Pro tip, offer tiered memberships. For example, a basic plan could include articles, while a premium plan offers one-on-one coaching. Membership sites aren't just a source of recurring income. They're a great way to build a loyal community around your brand. Next, digital templates and presets. Are you good at design or photo editing? You can sell templates for social media posts, website themes, or even photo editing presets. These are in high demand and can command premium prices. Here's how to create and sell templates. First, choose your niche. It could be Instagram story templates, resume designs, or Lightroom presets for photographers. Next, create your templates using tools like Photoshop, Canva, or Lightroom. Then, test your templates to make sure they're easy to use. Finally, sell on creative marketplaces like Creative Market or your own website. Bonus strategy. Offer a basic version for free to attract customers, then upsell a premium package with more features. And here's the game changer. Combine multiple strategies. For example, if you're creating templates, why not turn them into a mini online course teaching others how to use them? Or bundle your ebook with printables for a complete package. Making money with digital products isn't just a trend, it's a powerful way to build long-term wealth. The best part? You can start small and scale up as you go. Now that you know how to create and sell digital products, check out this video on 5 best passive income ideas for beginners. Trust me, it's packed with even more tips to grow your wealth. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals. See you next time.